What's going on, guys? This is Aaron. E39 update. We're actually attempting to save the carbon. As you can see, all the oxidation here. We're going to be doing kind of an at-home DIY carbon restoration. I did it over here last night, and this one was pretty bad. I'm getting some spider fractures here. I'm not exactly sure where from or what's causing it, but you can see it's still a little bit hazy through here, but definitely came out a lot better than expected. So we're going to try to do the same thing on this side. I kind of have it taped off just for my own measurements so I can see the difference, even though you can see through here just how bad it really is through all of that. But yeah, so I'm using just a Harbor Freight Drill Master 6-inch orbital, and using some Meguiar's Ilm 83 with a orange pad from Harbor Freight as well, and then I am priming the pad with some Meguiar's Quick Detailer. But I'm going to be going over everything at a 2-speed setting in the heavy areas, and then we're going to hit it with a speed 6 after I get everything spread, and then we'll go from there, see what happens. All right. And I do my stuff like this. There's a big X. Some people tell you 4 dots, but my stuff is heavily oxidized. Again, speed setting, I have it on 3, just to spread it around. I'm going to dab it and then scooch it around, and then we'll try to attack this top area above the vent and see where that gets us. Right, it looks like I didn't fully wring out the pad whenever I rinsed it off. We'll use some Quick Detailer to get this off. Just kind of. Alright, so first glance, it's better in some areas. Like this is going to take some doing right through here, but all through this patch right here, it actually looks pretty good. But right here, I need to hit again. You can kind of see right there, and then all through this area. But I'm still getting used to this, so keep in mind this is the first time I've ever done this, and it's taken me some getting used to. In these cracks right here, I might actually have to get an attachment that goes to my drill, just to try to hit that a little bit better. But we'll keep at it and see what happens. as you can see, I kind of fucked up by getting it kind of close to the tape, but that was my own fault. And this has a lot of dusting too. The M83 dusts a lot. It could be due to the pad I'm using, could be a variable of things, but I feel like it just dusts a lot, as you can see on my windshield. All right. Now this may not be a great representation because you can see all the dusting that's over here, but you can also see how dull it is on this side. Let me see if I can get this off a little bit better. All right, so there, I just bumped this with my belly. So there you can see the difference. This is without any kind of experience or anything like that. With what I would like to say beginner tools, and I was able to, I'd say, save it. I'd feel like I saved it, but yeah. You can clearly see the difference. That was the really bad area. And then coming over to here, you can see how that was kind of echoed throughout. But I feel like we'll be okay by finishing up the rest of this and hitting it with a coat of wax afterwards. But yeah, hopefully you guys get some confidence to do this yourself. I'm not a professional. Clearly there's going to be a lot of cleanup when it's all said and done, but overall I'm happy with the results. I still need to hit here. I didn't do through here. I still need to hit that right there, but otherwise I am happy with the result. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.